Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. The purpose of this video is to literally just have a bit of a chit chat to a degree, as well as show you what my grid looks like, because I realized I never showed you what my grid looks like. This is my grid pattern. I have 10 squares in my head. I followed Queen Aleem initially, but hers were like so precise. I was like, nope, sis, I'm just trying to put these in my head and call it a day. So that's what I did. But I did kind of the main sister lock grid, which is the center part and then the ear to ear part. That I wanted that concrete. Like I knew for sure that I wanted that in my head. I knew I wanted the center part and I knew I wanted the ear to ear. So those are the 10 sections that I have. I wanted 500 locks initially, so that's why I did 10 sections, because I was hell-bent on putting 50 twists in each section, and I kept falling short of maybe 10 or 11, like anywhere between 10 and 11. I kept falling short in each one, so I'm pretty sure I don't have 500 locks, but I will have to count them, and I'm going to do a video about that eventually, I promise. But yes, this is my grid, and as you can see, I already started retightening some of my hair. I did the sides already, and I'm gonna work on everything else. Yeah, it's funny, this side looks, I'm pretty sure I didn't do my grid properly. I wanted to show you the tools that I've been using. So I've been using this tool right here, which is, it's the smaller tool, and I really like this tool. I like this tool a lot. And sometimes I use this one. This one is really big for my twists. And because it's so big, it actually ends up hurting my scalp. So I prefer the skinnier one, but I use this one as well. All of these were found on Amazon, and I can link them in the description box if you would like. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will link all of these beautiful little thingies, all my clips and all my tools that I bought. All of them. I'll put them all in the description box. And just so I don't lose track of my needles, I keep all of them in this. My needles are in here, and then my clips are in this one, and then I put my needles in there like so. Tie the string, and then I know for sure where every single thing is when I need to do my retie. So I'm actually gonna go do my retie, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.